I'm not even going to try the veggies, I'm just going to get the chicken.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, welcome everyone to Farmers Market's Christmas special, again with the amazing Key from Foodie Momma PH, and I hope you enjoyed last week's prawn kebab recipe. It was amazing to eat. I'm still reliving it in my head. Today we're going to teach you guys how to cook an amazing roast chicken with roast veg, perfect for Christmas time. Let's get to it.
Let's go. Our 4-part Christmas series started with amazing prawn kebabs with mango salsa. And today, we're making a simple yet tasty roast chicken that'll be perfect for your Christmas dinner. We're gonna be using a little over a kilo of fresh Empress whole chicken from Farmers Market Singapore. First thing we're gonna do is prepare a mix of spices for the chicken rub. We need 1 to 2 tablespoons sea salt, 1 tablespoon cracked black pepper, 1 tablespoon ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon paprika, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon cayenne, 1 tablespoon garlic powder. Mix everything in a bowl and bring out the big bird. Put all the spice mix on every corner of the chicken and keep massaging like this, and it's gonna give so much flavor and kick. Now, we wanna aim for a juicy breast and crispy skin, and for that to happen, we're gonna add a few things. Soft butter and a mix of fresh herbs like parsley, thyme, rosemary, and sage. Mix, 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 and trust me, it's gonna bring a beautiful smell the moment you take it out of the oven, and the herby flavor is gonna be phenomenal. And with my clean hands, I'm gonna get my fingers in between the skin and the breast and put all the herb butter inside of it. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good. And one last thing, we're gonna put 1 whole lemon inside a cavity, and it's ready for cooking. Bring out a big tray and add in your preferred vegetables to go with the chicken. We got red potatoes, Brussels sprouts, and baby carrots. Add a little bit of olive oil, red onions, garlic, and sprinkle some of the rub we used earlier. We're using a rack for the chicken so that when it cooks, all the juices would drip down onto the veggies. And that's the go, baby. You may cook it in the oven or rotisserie. In our case, we're using the grill to roast it at 230 degrees for about 45 minutes to an hour. And Christmas dinner is ready. A super simple yet tasty roast chicken.
Cheers.
No, you're not gonna throw this one.
Cheers. No, no. I'm gonna drink one. That's good. Roast chicken.
All right.
Yum. This looks awesome. I'm not even gonna try the veggies. I'm just gonna get the chicken.
Okay, let's go. Garlicky, juicy and moist.
Going more garlic. I love the herb butter. The herb inside is awesome.
Yeah.
It's really, really good. This paste that you put inside is awesome.
A mix of herbs, soft butter.
Goes well with beer too, especially non-alcoholic beer. Cheers, guys.